Hello everyone, welcome. Today we are going to learn some important English sentences that you can use in your daily life to easily improve your English language skills. So without further ado, let's get started. The first sentence is अधैर्य हुओ नहीं. Don't be impatient. Don't be impatient. Next देखिबा ठीक सेहीपरि exactly the same as. Exactly the same as. ମୁଁ କିଛି ବି ଶୁଣିବାକୁ ଚାହେଁନି. I don't want to hear anything. I don't want to hear anything. Next ଦେଖିବା କ'ଣ କହିବାର ଅଛି ଜଲ୍ଦି କୁହ. Say what you have to say quickly. Say what you have to say quickly. Next ଦେଖିବା ମୁଁ ସବୁ ଭୁଲି ଯିବାକୁ ଚାହେଁ. I want to forget everything. I want to forget everything. Next ଦେଖିବା କହିବା ଆଗରୁ ଭାବ. Think before you speak. Think before you speak. ମୋତେ କିଛି ଜଣା ନାହିଁ. I don't know anything. I don't know anything. ମୁଁ କାହାକୁ ବି ଜାଣି ନାହିଁ. କେମିତି କହିବା ଇଂଲିଶରେ? I don't know anyone. I don't know anyone. ମୁଁ ଆଜି ଖାଇବି ନାହିଁ. I will not eat today. I will not eat today. ନେଇ ଦେଖିବା ମୋର ଆଜି ଉପବାସ. I am fasting today. I am fasting today. Next one is ମୋତେ ରାସ୍ତା ଜଣା ନାହିଁ. I don't know the way. I don't know the way. ଚାଲ କାହାକୁ ଜଣେ ପଚାରିବା. Let's ask someone. Let's ask someone. Next one ମୋତେ ମିଛ କୁହନି. Don't lie to me. Don't lie to me. ଆଖପାଖରେ ପଚାର. Ask around. Ask around. ଧ୍ୟାନ ଦେଇକି ଶୁଣ. Listen carefully. Listen carefully. Next one ଭଲ ଭାବରେ କୁହ. Speak well. Speak well. ତୁମେ ବହୁତ ଭାବୁଛ. You are thinking too much. You are thinking too much. Next one ଏହା ଠିକ ନୁହେଁ. This is not right. This is not right. Next one ସେମାନଙ୍କ ମଧ୍ୟରୁ କେହି ନୁହେଁ. କେମିତି କହିବା ଇଂଲିଶରେ? None of them. None of them. ସେମାନଙ୍କୁ ପ୍ରଥମେ ପଚାର. Ask them first. Ask them first. Next one ତୁମର ଆଉ କିଛି ଦରକାର କି? ଯଦି ଆପଣ କାହାକୁ ପଚାରିବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛନ୍ତି କି ତୁମର ଆଉ କିଛି ଦରକାର କି ତ କେମିତି ପଚାରିବେ ଇଂଲିଶରେ? Do you need anything else? Do you need anything else? Next one ମୋର ଆଉ କିଛି ଦରକାର ନାହିଁ. I don't need anything else. I don't need anything else. Next one ତୁମ ବିଷୟରେ କିଛି କୁହ. Tell me about yourself. Tell me about yourself. ମୁଁ ତୁମ ବିଷୟରେ ଅଧିକ ଜାଣିବାକୁ ଚାହେଁ. I want to know more about you. I want to know more about you. Next one ଆପଣ ଏହା କରିବା ଉଚିତ. You should do this. You should do this. Next one ତୁମେ ଏହା ଲେଖିବା ଉଚିତ. You should write this. You should write this. Next one ସେ ମୋତେ ବହୁତ ପ୍ରଶଂସା କଲେ. He praised me a lot. He praised me a lot. ନେଇ ଦେଖିବା ମୁଁ ତୁମକୁ ପଢ଼େଇବି. I will teach you. I will teach you. Next one is ମୋ ପାଖରେ ଉତ୍ତର ନାହିଁ. I don't have an answer. I don't have an answer. Next one ନିଜର ଯତ୍ନ ନିଅ. Take care of yourself. Take care of yourself. Next ନିଷ୍ପତ୍ତି ନେବା ପୂର୍ବରୁ ଭଲରେ ଭାବ. Think carefully before making a decision. Think carefully before making a decision. ଖାଇବା ପୂର୍ବରୁ ହାତ ଧୋଇ ନିଅ. Wash your hands before eating. Wash your hands before eating. Next ଦେଖିବା ମୁଁ ଏହା ଆଗରୁ ଜାଣିନଥିଲି. I did not know this before. I did not know this before. Next one ସେ ବହୁତ ଭଲ ଗୀତ ଗାଏ. She sings well. She sings well. Next ତୁମେ କେମିତି ଜାଣିଲ? How did you know? How did you know? ତୁମେ କାହା ସହିତ ଯାଉଛ? With whom are you going? With whom are you going? Next ଦେଖିବା ମୋତେ କିଛି କହିବାର ନାହିଁ. I have nothing to say. I have nothing to say. ସେମାନେ ବହୁତ ଜ୍ଞାନୀ. They are very wise. They are very wise. Next one is ସେମାନେ ବହୁତ ଧନୀ. They are very rich. They are very rich. Next one, ଆମେ ବହୁତ ଭାଗ୍ୟବାନ. We are very lucky. We are very lucky. Next one is ମୋର ଏକ ବଡ଼ ପରିବାର ଅଛି. I have a big family. I have a big family. ମୋର ଏକ ବଡ଼ ପରିବାର ଅଛି. I have a big family.